Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram ad account disabled. To know how to fix Instagram ad account disabled, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that in this page you will click clear cache, then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.